viewers, welcome to Botany Point. So in our previous video we already covered up to structure of plasma membrane, and today we will cover chemical composition, and for the topic will be posted later. So let's start the video. So as per our previous video, in the structure of the plasma membrane is mostly made up of lipid and protein. Okay, but some cases or some certain type of cell membrane or plasma membrane contain very small amount of carbohydrates. Okay, that means what? Chemically, plasma membrane consists of lipids, proteins and very small amount of carbohydrates. Okay, so here we can write down that point. Chemically, the plasma membrane consists of lipids and proteins, but a small amount of carbohydrates has also been reported from certain cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, clear? I can see. So mostly as per the structure, we already studied that plasma membrane contain lipids and protein, but in certain plasma membrane contain what? Carbohydrate also. Okay, certain type of cell membrane contain or plasma membrane contain carbohydrate. Clear? Okay. Now come about some points or chemical composition of each and every, that means this lipids and protein and carbohydrate substance. Okay, come here. First we cover about, first one is lipid fraction of plasma membrane. Lipid fraction of plasma membrane. Second we study about protein fraction. Protein fraction of plasma membrane. Third one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates in plasma membrane, and fourth one is enzymes present in plasma membrane. Enzymes of plasma membrane. Clear? So first we will cover lipid fraction. Okay. So here the point is here. See the lipid fraction of plasma membrane. So mostly about 20 to 40%. Okay, about 20 to 40% of the total dry weight in the plasma membrane, what we found? The lipid, presence of lipid found. Okay, about 20% of the lipid present in the dry weight of plasma membrane. Okay, so it is found or it is present dry weight in plasma membrane. Okay. Okay. Now come about its second point. The lipid, it constitutes of two things, that is phospholipids and cholesterol. So here the main lipid constituents are what? One is phospholipid, second one is cholesterol. Okay, and here the phospholipid is mostly which type? Phosphatidylcholine or lecithin. Okay, these are the most component of lipid, but some other important lipids also found, that may be or the lipids are sphingolipid, glycolipid and glycophosphatidyls. Okay, so here we can mention that one also. Also some important lipids, that is sphingolipids, glycolipids and glycophosphatides. Clear? Okay. This is about some important point about lipid fraction. Now come about its third point. That is the contents or the constitutes of phospholipid. So phospholipid, come here. Phospholipid. See, phospholipid. From the name you just see here, phospho means phosphate group are present. Okay, and lipid is made up of what? Glycerol and fatty acid. So here you can mention that it is contained what, or it is made up of phosphate group plus glycerol plus fatty acid and also a nitrogenous bases. Okay, phospholipid is made up of phosphate group, glycerol, fatty acid and also a nitrogenous bases. Okay, and all this possesses a long hydrogen chain. Okay, it possesses also a long hydrogen chain. Now come about cholesterol. Okay, so cholesterol also found in some plasma membrane. Okay, and it is also the presence of this cholesterol and plasma membrane gives a higher amount of what, strain or stability to plasma membrane. So here also write down that point. Presence of cholesterol gives a higher amount of strain and stability to which? To plasma membrane. Clear? Okay. So about this lipid or phospholipids is about, here the total lipid concentration is 20 to 40%, but only phospholipid amount is about 55 to 57%. Okay, present in the here 55 to 57%. Okay, this amount of phospholipids are present in the plasma membrane. It varies cell to cell. Okay, the concentration is always varies. Okay, because all cells are different type, so the presence of constitute or the chemical constitution also varies. Clear? Okay, now come about one also important, that is glycolipids. So glycolipids is made up of sugar plus lipid components. Okay, so this is all about what? Lipid constituents, and its presence is mostly seen, you can clearly identify in the animal cases. Okay, so in our animal cases its concentration is more higher. All of this lipid constitution. Okay, not only single one. Okay, now come about the second point, that is protein fraction. Second point is about protein fraction. Protein fraction of plasma membrane. So about 60 to 80% of protein are found in the plasma membrane as per its dry weight. Okay, 80% total dry weight. Okay, protein present in plasma membrane. Clear? Okay. One next second point, that is important point. Maddy at the year of 1964 and Rega. Okay. Maddy at the year of 1964 and Rega at the year of 1967. So they reported in the what? Red cell ghost. Okay, red cell ghost that is contain about 90% of soluble protein. It is they found about 90% of soluble protein. Where? In red cell ghost. And also they reported the molecular weight of the plasma membrane which contain that protein is very high, or the protein content inside the plasma membrane is very high molecular weight, but the size is not exactly known. Okay, that means it is still unknown. The size is not known, but the molecular weight is too much high. So here you can mention that point, that is the molecular weight, that is the protein is high molecular weight. This is protein, okay, high molecular weight, but size or the exact size still unknown. Clear? So this is about protein. Now come about the third point, that is protein is mostly made up of what? Amino acids, and these amino acids are joined together by which thing? That is peptide bond or peptide linkage. Okay, so here also write out that point. The proteins are made up of amino acids. Amino acids, remember, okay, and are linked together or united by peptide linkage. Okay, and this protein may be glycoprotein type, which are mostly found in our blood group cases. Okay, so blood group substances are mostly, or the protein found in the blood group, it is of glycoprotein type. The protein may be glycoprotein type, glycoprotein as in blood group substance. Okay, clear up to this? So due to presence of the glycoprotein found in the blood group substance, that's why it is known as mucopolysaccharide peptides. Okay, and hence these proteins are known as what? Or the glycoproteins which are found in the blood group substance known as mucopolysaccharide peptides. Clear? Okay, this is all about what? Protein. Now come about the carbohydrate. So carbohydrate in plasma membrane. Third one is carbohydrate, which are very small amount found, and that too very certain plasma membrane cases, not the all cases. Okay. So the presence of plasma membrane is suggested by Vela. The scientist Vela, at the year of 1962, he suggests the plasma membrane also contain carbohydrate. Okay, and about 5% of carbohydrate present in the red cell ghost, and in case of liver, that is 1% found in the liver of plasma membrane. Okay, liver cell, that is liver plasma membrane contain about 1% of carbohydrate as per their dry weight, total dry weight. Okay, so these carbohydrates are present in different forms. Okay, that may be hexosamine, sialic acid. Okay, they are present in their different forms. Fructose. Okay, and that is varies from cell to cell. The percentage also varies cell to cell. Now come about the fourth point, that is enzyme. Enzymes of plasma membrane. First one is 5-nucleotidase and second is Mg2 plus ATPase. Third one is Na plus K plus activated Mg2 plus ATPase. Okay. Fourth one is alkaline phosphatase. Fifth one is phosphomonoesterase. Sixth one is glucose 6-phosphate. Seven one is NADS2 and also cytochrome C reductase. So these are the most important enzymes which are found in the plasma membrane, and also they are participate into different activity in the plasma membrane. And the plasma membrane is lack of respiratory chain and glycolytic activity. Remember that one. Okay. The plasma membrane lacks the lack of respiratory chain and glycolytic activity. So such type of 30 type of enzyme are isolated from the plasma membrane. So these are some list of the enzymes. About 30 or the 30 type of enzyme found in the inside the plasma membrane, and that's also vary from cell to cell. Okay, so this is all about the chemical composition of plasma membrane. So if you like this video, so please hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe the Botany. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you so much.